Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find the general management. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can currently customize. So let's simply tap on set date. However, if you are not able to tap on those options because you cannot see them, it is because you are using automatic date and time. So let me show it to you. This is how it will look like probably in your case. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and choose it from this calendar. Tap on done. It will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on done. It should be immediately applied. However, we've got 11 o'clock because we've got a different time zone. So let's simply tap on it, tap on the region, and just find the proper time zone, or actually it was not the case of the time zone. Simply this device simply needed more time to process the changes. So here all you have to do is to find your time zone and tap on it. Let me choose Greenland and this one, for example. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time. So obviously the time zone will affect the time. Here we've got the clock format. It's up to you. Currently we are using 24-hour one. Of course, if you want to use 12-hour format, just turn off the switcher and it should be applied. Just give it time. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers to actually use the automatic date time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.